Hello everyone. Thank you for joining today's Facebook Live. So last week, oh no, not last week, a few weeks ago, Cindy introduced a sunshade cover, but it was too small because it's like a little scrolling thing, and it won't fit most cars because their windows are like too wide. So today we have a sunshade cover for your whole window, and it's very flexible, so you could just put it over your car window, and it'll fit most standard car sizes. And let's see, what can I say about this product? Let me open the door. Alright, so this product is attached by the Velcro tape, so it's very secure, and this material is very how do I say, it's very breathable. So like when you roll down the window, you'll still get air. Like this material is very how do I say it? Lots of airflow. What else can I say about this product?
How to take it off.
Oh, how to take it off? Oh yeah, so it's hard to drive. It might be hard to drive with this product. I mean with this attached, because it's kind of dark. So you could always just take it off like this and put it back on anytime you want. And this product, I like this product because you can keep your car cool. Like if you wanna sleep in your car and it's too hot, this would be pretty good. Or if you're like reading a book and you just want to stay in your car, it can be a very relaxing afternoon. What else can I say about this? Yeah, this is also good for your children. Like they could get sunburned easily, like in a parking lot. Like let's say you don't want to go shopping with your wife, so you just want to stay in the car with your child. You could just put this on and prevent any sunburns from happening. And you know, sunburns are very dangerous because it can cause skin cancer or something. Alright, I think it's a good product. What do you think? Yeah, you should leave a comment below. I think it's a good product too. Keep going. Alright. Should I show you guys how to install it? Yeah, I should, huh? Alright, let's install it. Let's go to the other side. Actually, no. Let me show you how to install it. Alright, so there's two Velcro tapes here. Velcros here. And here's how you do it. You just put it over your car. It might not work though if you have like a, what's it called? Like a truck, right? Mm-hmm. Like those trucks with square windows. Yeah, it's hard to put those on. It might be hard because this size, it only fits like a certain size. So I would put like a tape here. Tape on the side of the door. Tape it down first, so it's secure. And then I would roll it over like this. Oh, I'm supposed to have another tape here on the side, but I don't want to waste any tapes for this demonstration, so I'm just gonna roll it over like this. Perfect. And this material is very strong. You know, like you see the corner of my door is very sharp, but it's not like cutting it. Yeah, put it like this. See this little corner matching the corner? That's how you know it's lined up, and then you just pull it down. Easy. And this will not fly off when you're driving because these tapes will hold it down. And even if you shut the door, it won't cause any harm to it. Yeah, that's great. I think it looks great also on my car because if you're like too cheap to tint your windows, you could just use this. Yeah, it looks very fashionable. Looks like a stuffed toy, a toy car. Also, look, you can roll down the windows. you can like You can like roll it up, you know, like a curtain for your room. So if you don't want to go through all the hassle of like uninstalling it, you can just roll it up like this, like a curtain. Very nice item. And then you can get like fresh air and fresh sunlight, and you can just roll it back down if you're like going back to sleep. Like if you live in a car, this could be like your curtain. It's very nice. If you have no house and you live in a car, I think this would be a very nice addition to your house. Alright, thank you for watching. Leave a comment on what you think about this product. We'll try to find more similar products because this weather is really hot and we all want to stay off the heat. Alright, please like this video, share it, and have a great weekend.